Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forecast.com YouTube channel. My name is Henry. Today is Friday, June 25th. The time is 12 a.m. GMT. And today we're going to be looking at the chart of Amazon. This is a 60 minutes chart. We can see right here. We ended with 2 over here in the minute degree. Now this is a short-term outlook, okay? So we're just purely looking from the short-term perspective, not going to talk about the long-term or the medium term here. And we see the rally here ended with 3, okay, with subdivision as a 5 waves, and then now looking for a wave 4 pullback in a 3 waves as an ABC. We finished the A and looking for B and C. Now typically wave 4 can be somewhere between 23.6 38.2% retracement of the wave 3. Now we hit the 23.6 already now. So if we are going to do another leg lower, because we can just go up from here as well, but if we are going to take another leg lower doing an ABC, then possibly we can end somewhere in this area here around 33.89 to finish wave 4, and then the stock should continue to go up again. Now looking slightly at the larger degree, now remember this is 2 and this is 3 right here in the minute, so this is the same 2 and 3 here. So we're looking at the rally that started from May 11. That's the cycle we are looking at, May 11. Okay, you can see clearly if this is 2 and 3, then this has to be in the 1. You can see in the extension here, 1 2 3, we got 1.618 extension here, right? So so that suggests that we are indeed in a wave 3 type of move here with clear extension here, clear impulse. So now as long as the pullback stays above this wave 2, right? So again, we should expect the pullback ideally not going more than the 50%, because if it goes more than 50%, then there is a possibility that it is no longer wave 4, right? What is the other possible option for us? Well, the other possible option, you move 3 here, and then this is your 4, and this is your 5, right? That will be another like an alternate scenario. Now if that's the case, then we could be doing a larger pullback and doing not a wave 4 but doing a full correction of this cycle. Now if that is the one that plays out, then this could become, let's say, 1 2 3 4 5. So we could have a 1 2 3 4 5 ending with A, and then B, and then C like this before higher again, right? So that will be the alternate, but otherwise this is what we are calling right now. We're calling for wave 4. Okay, we're calling for wave 4, and then for one more push on the upside. This one, if you count it, this one, that looks to be a little too shallow for wave 5, right? So this one is a little bit better count, and again, as long as we don't break below 50%, and as long as this pivot wave 2 is holding, we should expect support in the sequence of 3 or 7 swing pullback from the peak over here. Alright, so that's the update for today. As always, if you do want to check our service, we cover not only Amazon but a lot of other stocks, ETF, as well as Forex, as commodities. We have 14 days free trial. The link is provided in the YouTube video. I'll see you all again next week. Have a nice day, everyone.